analysis. Let's do quick analysis for this week. Quick analysis for this week. Quick analysis for this week. Let's see. Okay. Monthly. Still looking bearish. Okay. Weekly. So let's have your range. This bearish candle. Bearish candle. Yeah. So I want to buy, you know, up here. I want to buy up here. Let's go to daily and see the structure. Okay, what structure have we got? Simple as ABC. We don't need all this backwards. Let's just make it simple. Simple. Uh, see, market structure. Let's start from there. Boom, boom. This one change of character. You get it? Sure. And this one is come down like this. But it's here. Okay, let's see. So what is recent structure? Recent structure. Let's go on 4 hours. Okay, let's go on 4 hours. 1 USD. Let's go with the structure. Childman. Okay, okay. See. On 4 hours. Yeah, lower low. Lower high here and here. So, bam. So, one wants to sell this on 4 hour structure. And then we can only buy above this zone. That's what I want to buy. The market breaks here, come back on any structure, bam. But from here, I know the current you have to this one low, it's higher high, so we can't buy from here though unless it breaks, bam, because of this structure. So here, bam, bam. Let's see. So I want to sell. Let's go. Well, it was lower low. Let's see if there's another lower low. Let's see if there's another lower low. Yes, it was lower low. Lower target around there. Yeah. Then even from here, if I go to 15 minutes, 3 minutes, there's change of market structure, change of character, then I'll start selling. Mm, Pam, pam, sell. Okay, okay. So let's go to euro. I'm on buy on this euro USD already. Well, I just want to buy to this. This is yeah, I want to buy out to this place. But whichever way, uh, daily, see the structure on daily. So let's go from here, bam, sell. So I want to look at the target. I guess something around there, yeah. So this one give us bearish, good bearish structure, but still bullish. So waiting time, got to wait. We've got to wait. We've got to wait. We've got to wait. And then this buy, because of my bullish engulfing candle, my buy, I'm going to exit my buy around here, then wait for something like this, then sell. And if it breaks. Doesn't matter. Whatever it does, if it breaks, all this. If it breaks, bam, bam, bam. But this one is still very strong bullish. Let's see. I want to sell from on that side. Around here, around here. So and I want to sell. Jesus. Maybe I should be stacking. When I said anything bearish, I should be stacking. Start stacking. Stack, 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 stack. Boom. That would be dodge. That would be dodge. So that is it. That's what I'm looking for now. I want to sell around that area. And then the follow gap is there as well. Oh, that one. Okay. This is my gold. I'm reclining. I'm still going to do the same thing anyway. Yeah. See, this week, this was it's bearish. What is bearish? Bam. You see, what is bearish? Good. This is we just want to sell gold. You want to sell gold to for selling euro USD as well. We're selling pound USD. So let's look what's around here. Mhm. And then based on this structure, see low and low. Some retracement. Bam. Okay, let's go. Today, what have we got? So daily trend line, see here. That one is a long way to go. That one's a long way to go. So it's a point of one, two, three is a point of resistance. So we want this market, if the market can come around there before, it's good based on daily. And I think I've put let's go to 4 hours and see the structure. Yeah. Mm. Even this one, there's fair follow gap where market is thing, which is very good. Fair follow gap around that side. So that trend line, the one I did is still long. There's a trend around here. Hmm. So we're looking for markets for structure. Boom. You see? That's what I'm looking for. You can start selling from here as well. Because there's a fair follow gap here. Small paper. This is 4 hours. This is what I did before. 4 hours fair follow gap. And I scalped last week. From here. Somewhere. And then there's another mini trend line. Want to touch everything. See? So you can see there's another mini trend line. We want to touch from here. See this one. Yeah. This one is around here. So myself from here. Myself from here. No, it's just good. You cannot risk. Yeah, myself from here. Why not? Don't follow that. Oh, yeah. Watch very well. It's a trend line. first touch, second touch, third touch. And that's your first, second touch, third, you know? So you can sell from there. Boom, 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 boom. And if not, sell from there. Until it breaks on my trend line before I can. There might be chance to start scalping, buy and stuff like that. But proper trading, see, this is another day gap, which will be coincident with this trend line again. This fair value gap. So this fair value gap, the current one I'm using now, there's reaction in the market. So it's telling me something supposed to happen. And then market has started what? Consolidating, consolidating. See, hmm? I go, I just here. So, and I see proper sell from here, myself, smaller size. It's good or big block size to scalp. Hmm. This is my best pair. I don't, I don't scare of trading this one. I can just enter anytime. Okay, it's always buy. See, since March, yeah, it created here bearish something structure, but it's gone back. So it's buying a level. So the buy. Last week was buy. Yeah, last week was, yeah. I think I lost last week on this pair anyway because I was buying, ready to buy and it's kicking me out. Well, now I'll still continue buying. This daily, see, this is bearish engulfing. Bam. So let's go to forward to see destruction. That's what I've done this one. Done this one. Three. So this is one, two, three, four point of resistance. So you can start selling from here, but I still need to see 15-minute change of character before I sell. I'm just putting it, I'm not selling. 15-minute change of character. Oh. And then if it's if it breaks above, say, say, well, money. Even if it's $2, why would you make money? Money is money. Yeah, this is what I want to do. It breaks. Problem of this PS is it might not get retraced, but you just go pim 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 pim. Well, that's the only problem. Might not get retraced. That's why I still lose some on it. I don't want to wait. So this is good. This is good. And then at the same time, you can, yeah, there's a, ah, this will be very, very nice. There's a head and shoulder pattern to me. See, head. I mean, first shoulder, head. Yeah, if you can give me something like this, second shoulder, see, second shoulder, that's why I will buy this one. Second shoulder, then, palm, neckline, break neckline, retest, second one, palm. This is what I really need. This is what I really need. You see, just structure. Don't fear. Follow. Even this one, if you give me, if I go on 15 minutes, if you give me, it looks like it wants to sell, I can sell. See, go from here, I'll sell. See, nice. It's your stop loss around there. It's not bad. Smaller size, no, smaller size. Shoot, you don't have to risk too much. And why I win is this, there's no confirmation, no strategy that is, just market structure, bearish engulfing, 4 hours candle. change of character, you know, structures. That's what I do. And then now, so, and my risk is very small. So my reward time is nice. So let's go on oil. See, see this one. Yeah, I know it's US that control this one. It's US, US, US. See, pound buy. I don't need all this one. I'm just showing it. Okay. So this is the point of resistance here. If I identify it, yeah, one up. So when it comes to this from here, two up, one up. Let me let me show it. So this is first up, two up. So this is the third up. Yeah, might get three up. But it's US that will control it. You don't really know. You know? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Don't really know. You don't really know. It's US. But based on the analysis, uh, weekly bearish, so it's looking bearish. Daily bearish, it's looking bearish. But we have to consider the points of this support. 4 hours. Let's see what's happening on 4 hours. We use the structure wise. So this is the structure. Pam, mm, pam, pam. So all we need is you can set from there, set from here, boom, just stand. But because of that, a point of resistance, because of this resistance, very, very careful, very careful. This is the proper buy. Yeah, this is C. This is where a proper buy will start from. Well, yeah. So yeah, but it would be nice if I can get something because of that support. Mommy, I mean, you can just come down for me a little bit. It's my sorry. So I can just see long trade. I can get another push down. Now go on 15 minutes because of this point of resistance. Okay. So you can see the market move here after the bullish gov can. So if I give us bullish gov, we can do, but let's wait for like 1 hour. But okay, even the 1 hour, we can use 1 hour change of structure. You see, we can use 1 hour change of market structure. We can use 15 minutes change of market structure. Don't sleep. I'm gonna, yeah, let's just say, mom, bam, this one, you see, yeah, what, see this one, bam, yes, started by pound, started by, thank you, that's all for this week. I don't want the video to be long, and that's why, what's up on this why, oh, and that's why it's no wonder, it's retracing, you see, high, low, high, low, high, so, when the SY is still retracing, which means Euro USD will still buy a little bit. Then Nancy started pushing up again. Phew. That's it. Thank you.